gym. Like a few exercise bikes. But they're all skinny anyway, so I don't know why they've got exercise bikes. Yeah, they're the tracks. They're little houses. If I knew Thai, I would like him to like try to ask them more questions and shit. But they just go, no. Should I go down there? I'll have a look. Oh, yeah, not much. It's just yeah, I think that's me done. I'm going back to the room, booking me flight home at 8:30 in the morning. Do I sleep and wake up at 6? No, I've got to wake up at 5 actually. Or do I just stay awake? Yeah, I think I'm exhausted actually. I think I will sleep, but I don't want to fucking sleep in. Yeah, more tracks. Fuck, more bikes, look. Swaddy Cup.
Yeah.
Say hello to Instagram. These are the kids from this track. Hello.
Hello หน่อย
Australia.
Australia.
Sydney. Oh, what food is this? Oh, fucking, I'm a bit peckish, but I don't know how sanitary and safe it is. No, like I'll bite one thing and fucking wake up with food poisoning and fucking have an arm and food poisoning. Yeah. Oh, have I done me steps? I think I may have done me steps. Unless my watch has gone flat. Yeah, I done them. Oh yeah, I done 21,000. Fucking smoked it. Oh, fuck. Gotta get back to Instagram. There's just more bikes, houses. Yeah, it's just a little bit darker and shit. Swaddy Cup.
สวัสดีครับ
Yeah, little shacks there, like little workshop and stuff. They must do their bike, like fix the motorbikes there. They got that many of them. Parts here. Look at that. Parts there. Swaddy Cup. Oh, can I have a look? Swaddy Cup. I'm from Australia, so whole family live in here? How many kids?
8 years old.
Oh, but how many children? How many children?
How many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Ah.
9, 10,
And
11.
all family.
Yes, all family.
Ah, very beautiful.
Family big size, big family.
And we all live
Yeah.
together. They live together.
Yes.
Very beautiful. Nice to meet you. I'm from Australia. Just filming for Instagram, just to show how beautiful the place is.
Okay.
Kapung Kap, have a good night. Swaddy Kap.
ครับ
Yeah, she spoke English, so fuck. Yeah, what, 9 kids or something? Yeah, and another little hut. Swaddy Kap.
ไม่มีที่
From Australia, just filming from Australia.
โอ้ย
Oh no. Okay, no problems. Done. I'm at the end of the tracks. Fuck. Now I've got to wait, work my way back to Calson Road. Huh? Calson, yeah, how much? 100, yeah. Fuck, on the back of my bike. Kapumagap. Yeah, going back to Tulsa. I forget how much is on one.